Hi guys, are you ready to test your prepositions skill? Let's get started. 1. I'll check the email. Lunch. At. Use at with times. At noon, at night, at midnight. The printer is. The desk. On. Use on with surfaces. On the table, on the floor. Update the software. Friday. By. By Friday. Friday is a deadline, is a final point in the time. Submit your application, the online form. Via the online form, using the online form. Via text, via email. My files are the cloud. In the cloud, inside the cloud. Save your project files, the project folder. In the project folder, inside the project folder. Share the document. Email. Via. The new PC arrives Tuesday. On. Use on with days. On Tuesday, on Monday, on Sunday. Backup data. An external drive. On the surface of an external drive. The problem will be fixed tomorrow. By tomorrow. The update finished midnight. At. Use at with times. The meeting is. Teams. Teams is a social media. On Teams. On Skype. On Zoom. We're using a new tool. Work. At work. Use at with the location. At work, at home, at the office, at the store. We will meet the office for the review. At. The office is a location. The software will be released October. In. Use in with months. In October, in December, in June. The chat window is the right side of the screen. On the right side, on the left side. The team will meet 3 p.m. At. Use at with times. PM is the afternoon. The project data is stored database. In the database, inside the database. The report will be ready the end of the day. By the end of the day is a deadline for the report. She works the IT department. At or in, answer in the comments. If you learned something from this video, please like it, subscribe to my channel.